Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Gemini API key. First, open your web browser and go to the Google AI Studio website. Make sure you are signed in with your Google account. Once there, look for the Get API Key option in the left-hand navigation menu. This is your starting point for generating a new key, which is essential for using the Gemini API in your projects. After clicking Get API Key, you'll see a button labeled Create API Key in New Project or similar. Click this button. You might be prompted to select an existing project or create a new one. Once you make your selection, the system will immediately generate your unique API key. It's a string of characters that acts as your credential for accessing the Gemini API services. Once your API key is generated, it's crucial to copy it right away. This key is sensitive information, similar to a password. Store it in a secure place, like an environment variable or a secrets manager, and never hardcode it directly into your application's source code. Publicly exposing your API key, for example, on GitHub, could lead to unauthorized usage and potential security risks. With your API key securely stored, you can now integrate it into your application. When making requests to the Gemini API, you'll include this key for authentication. Refer to the official Gemini API documentation for specific implementation details in your chosen programming language. After integration, perform thorough testing to ensure your application can successfully communicate with the Gemini API and retrieve the desired responses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.